That's the dark world, and I hate to be part of this. I hate it so much. I don't want to lie to you. Don't be surprised if I turn to Christianity.
Bro, how do you sleep at night with like knowing all of this is happening? Like, how does it make you feel, bro? Because I can see like you trading on the good side of
Sangoma.
Yeah.
You know what, Mac? I don't want to lie to you, Mac. I want to quit. I want to quit so bad. I don't want to be associated under the Sangoma umbrella. It's too embarrassing. Look at what was happening between me and whoever Sangoma. Everything is just embarrassing. Everything that has a Sangoma thing. And remember when I came to the last time, I said we are a joke, and it's gonna come into the public platform that this thing is the end of it.
Sure.
You know, and every day everything is revealing itself. I'm not saying I want to quit because I don't have the calling or I'm done scamming people. I'm not saying that. But I want to quit because of the trends and me being a strong believer, and I believe in God so much. I feel like I can still do it without being a Sangoma.
Won't there be consequences like when you quit Sangoma? Because I mean, it's a gift from Abapansi, right? Just like when you don't heed the call, so won't there be like serious consequences to just quit? Like,
I'm willing to face them. I'm willing to face them, and I'm willing to ask them that, is this what you guys called me for? If it is, then I'd rather face the consequences. Before anything else, I'm a child of God. And I fear God. I respect my ancestors. They know where they took me. I know this gift that they gave me is special. However, if there are consequences just because of the actions and the things that Sangomas are doing, I'd rather face the consequences. But I don't think God will allow that.
That's crazy.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video. So Ugogos Kuteni is exposing again Opunkoma, you guys, and this time she says that she is willing to quit everything, she is willing to quit Ubunkoma because of, the underdark world thing that happens. She says that she hates it so bad and she doesn't want to be a part of this anymore, the Sangoma umbrella anymore, you guys. She says that it is very embarrassing at whatever is currently happening. Of course, giving an example of her feud with Ugogoma Whitney, you guys, and she also, talked about, saying that, revealing that rather, she does not only have the gift of Ubunkoma, but she also have the gift of prophet, or she says that she can be, a prophet if she wants to do that. She can turn this whole thing around and be a Christian, you guys. She says that even though she's not saying that she is not a Sangoma, but however she says that if the time comes for her to leave this whole thing, she definitely is going to do that. And of course, Usul Penduka asked, if you leave this Gogos Koteni, there's going to be serious consequences from Abapansi because you open doors. You open those doors, to be honest, they are going to make sure that you pay for that. And Gogos Koteni says that, if there are consequences, I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to just work for God because I am a child of God after all. No consequences, will stop me from serving God if that time comes. She says that she is a child of God after all. You guys, it seems like Gogos Koteni will one day leave Obongoma and turn to the Almighty God, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I'll see you in the next one, and may the good Lord just continue blessing you all. Bye.